In this tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way how to upload video on Google Drive and share a link anyone can open in just a few simple steps. First, open your web browser. Then go to Google Drive. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. If you're not already in Drive, click Go to Drive. Once Google Drive opens, click the New button in the top left corner. Then select File Upload. Now browse to the folder where your video is saved, select the video, and click Open. You can also upload your video by simply dragging and dropping it directly into Google Drive. Wait for the upload to finish. You'll see the upload progress in the bottom right corner. After your video finishes uploading, find it inside Google Drive. Then right-click the video. From the menu, click Share. Then click Share again if prompted. This is the most important step. Under General Access, you'll probably see Restricted. Click the drop-down menu. Then select Anyone with the link. This allows anyone who receives the link to open and watch or download the video without requesting access. Now click Copy Link. Then click Done. Your Google Drive link is now ready to share. If this tutorial saved you time and helped you share your video successfully, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. I post simple, step-by-step tech tutorials that help you solve common problems quickly. You can now paste the link into an email, text message, WhatsApp, or anywhere else you want. When someone opens the link, they'll be able to view your video. If you gave them viewer access, they can also download the video, but they won't be able to edit or delete it. If you ever change their permission to editor, they'll also be able to modify or remove the file, so only use that option when necessary. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.